Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily duplicate a page in Site123. So let's just start. Let's just click on this menu here and let's return to the dashboard. And when we're gonna return to the dashboard, we are going to be here. And right now you want to click on settings and you're gonna see here duplicate. Are you sure you want to duplicate the website Marcus Stone? Okay. And just wait until it's going to be duplicated. And voila, here you got it. So this is how you can make it, and this is how you duplicate the site. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.